hold it. Drones can be a threat. We
Hmm.
could use them more effectively. Other actors could use them more effectively. Look, this was out in the open, not just for years, but for decades. The first small drone used in conflict by a non-state actor was back in the mid 2000s in the conflict in Lebanon. They were used against U.S. forces in Iraq and Syria by ISIS. Why is it taking now, the year 2025, to go, hold it, we need to better protect our units against this
Hmm.
threat? Or hold it, we ought to be equipping our units with it. So I think there is we'll call it a sunk cost phenomena of, well, we've put so much investment into system approach X, doctrine Y. The danger with sunk costs is, they don't deliver for you. You just keep
Yes.
plowing, you know, just because you've spent a lot on something doesn't mean you should spend a lot on it in the future. And I think letting go of that is a big challenge for us. So that combination of looking at other nations' experiences and trying to learn from them rather than losing on the battlefield ourselves, and then
Yes.
secondly, escaping from the sunk cost phenomena, I think are two crucial areas for us. The final is to understand that we're only scraping the surface of what we